Hi, a couple of people have said they don't know what to do with the hand ties when they receive them. So, when you receive a lovely hand tie like this, you can leave it in this box for about 24 hours. But after that, obviously there's not going to be enough water in that water bubble to feed all those beautiful flowers. So what you need to do over a sink is snip this. I'm just going to snip it into a bucket here so that I don't get wet feet. Like so. Now your florist has arranged these beautifully into this design and the stems are all like that. So what you need to do is when you've unpacked it out of the water bubble, this can all stay on and it is ready arranged. So all you need to do is snip it slantwise, take about ½ inch off, like that. And then in your flowers you will receive a pack like so, which will tell you who's designed your flowers and also a little bit about how to look after them. And then you'll receive a sachet like this, a double sachet. So what you do, you cut that, empty it into a vase of water, like so, and then just place your flowers in it, like so. Then after probably about 3 days, is use your second sachet. So take your flowers out, give your vase a good clean with bleach water, put fresh water in, and then the second pack of flower food. Retrim them again, cut another ½ inch off, because what happens is once they're out of water, this seals over and then the water can't get up and feed the flowers. So that's why you have to retrim them and then put them back in the water. Another one we do is the lovely smaller version of the hand tie, which we call our lovely gift box. Now this one comes ready arranged. Inside the box is a green foam, which we call Oasis, which we arrange the flowers in. So your florist has gone to a lot of trouble to actually arrange those. Again, you will get a pack with the flower food, who's made your flowers. And all you have to do is mix the flower food in a jug and then top this up. So what you would have to do is just part the flowers a little bit and then pour it into the side there, but being careful that it doesn't come over the top of the box, because that you will get wet feet then. So I hope that's a bit helpful. So when you receive all your flowers for Mother's Day or birthdays or anything like that, that's how you condition them and keep them so that it'll last quite a long time. Thank you.